One of our favorite activities is fantasy sports. The big problem that we see right now in fantasy sports is the way that drafts are run. Right now, we feel like we're totally tied to our screens. There's not a great mobile optimized experience, and we find ourselves like not really hanging out with our friends during the entire process.
This is the landing page for Geoffrey, a fantasy football draft experience. And Geoffrey is accessible in a browser on your phone through the desktop, just at this link here. I've already created an account, you can too, but I'm just going to log in. And Geoffrey is not only a tool that helps you accomplish your fantasy football draft every year, and then you can go on and play the season, but it also leverages a natural language interface to make it really easy and fast to draft players in your fantasy draft. Let me show you what that looks like. So this is our auction headquarters. You'll notice I've already drafted some team members here to my team. Fourth overall was Odell Beckham. Now notice this draft updated here. It's been completed. Additionally, there are people within this draft, including myself, who can come to this application through the phone. And the benefit of this is if you're in a big group, you can engage the draft while being on your computer and maybe looking up things you need. You can get more info about players down here. You can use your phone almost like a bidding button. So it really leverages uniquely both the desktop, computer, and the phone. Now let's go ahead and do a draft here. Let's select, let's do Ezekiel Elliott. Ezekiel Elliott.
Ezekiel Elliott selected.
All right. So I'm going to bid. I'm going to also have on my phone another player coming in here, Brian, and bidding on this. You'll notice now it's updated, but I'm just going to finish the bidding here. Two, one. Now Zeke will go.
Ezekiel Elliott selected by admin. Try to keep him away from St. Patrick's Day parties.
So Ezekiel Elliott's been selected. If I refresh here, now he's on my team as well. Now I just want to show you one other thing. If you're playing and you're on the desktop, you can poke through a lot of players, see different information about them. You know, up here was a little chart, but we can also ask them other things like, what is the best running back available?
The best available running back is Todd Gurley.
Okay, good to know. And who is the best available quarterback?
The best available quarterback is Aaron Rodgers.
So through this natural language interface, we can not only bring up the players we want to bid on, but we can also ask questions that can quickly get us to the information you need, and that's what makes Geoffrey so unique as a drafting tool.